In this video, we will be using force-free methods to teach Bella how to settle on her side in preparation for a veterinary exam. Bella is a young, happy, energetic dog, very impulsive and likes to move, and so we will be using luring as our training technique to teach her how to lay her head on the ground and wait patiently for a treat. Notice that this is a voice-free and force-free training session. At this point, Bella is not familiar with any cues for this behavior. She is simply following the treat in order to find the position that is most desirable for me. I use the tag points nose to shoulder, down to spine, down to floor, in order to get her in the position that is most desirable. I also ignore most of the undesirable behavior that she offers, such as rolling on her back, or pawing at my hand, or even nibbling at my fingers as I'm trying to get her to the treat. After working for a few minutes, Bella has really got the luring technique down, and I have shortened the motions that I follow with the lure. My motions are actually much quicker now, and it doesn't take much for her to follow the treat and anticipate the direction I'd like her to go in, so she offers a nice side settle. Now I have slowly introduced my hand, my second hand, as I am encouraging her to fall onto her side. This is just a little bit of a pressure so that she can feel the presence of my hand as I would for a veterinary procedure. Notice the introduction of my hand just simply on her chest is very interesting, and she has a tendency to pop up. So now we are working on building a little bit of duration as she keeps her head down to the ground. It's only 1 or 2 seconds of duration, but she is quickly picking up to the task that I'd like her to follow. Bella's still making good strides, but I see some of our progress stopping. So as I start to realize this, I know that a break is soon to be needed, and in just a few minutes, Bella and I will take a break off camera and allow for a quick play session so that she has time for mental rejuvenation. After a quick break, she is back and ready to go, and again, making great strides. Notice that there is no wrong answer, and there's no bad behavior that Bella offers. If there is something that I wasn't hoping for, I simply ignore it, but I make sure that I reinforce with a little bit of treat or a little bit of petting all the behaviors that I do like. it was time for another break. So as the video cut out, Bella and I took another break. We played, we got up, she had a moment to breathe, and then we started back our session again. She's doing great, and so as I'm able to get a couple of pats in, I stroke her side really slowly and calmly to reassure a nice, calm behavior, and then I begin to guide my hands down her legs, both front and back, and work a little bit closer to her hind area. Again, simulating all of the pieces of a